All right, so finding the inverse function is just the first step at the proper level of college rigor you guys need for your college math class next year. The next thing you need to be able to do is prove it algebraically. And we're gonna do that with 2 rounds of function composition. The first time, we're gonna take the inverse function and plug it into the original. So we're gonna take our inverse function over here, take that whole weird fraction, and plug it in for the x that we see up here. So I'm gonna take that original, 3, and I'm gonna make a nice big parentheses, plus 12 over 5. So all I've done so far is I took that original function and I made that into a huge parentheses. Because now I'm gonna take the inverse function and plug it into the original. So I'm gonna go take that inverse function and plug it into the original that we have set up over here. And now we're gonna simplify that down. When we multiply that 3, they're gonna cancel. Negative 12 plus 12 is gonna be 0. We're left with 5x over 5, which goes down to x. Now that must happen when we do our second problem as well, where we're going to take the original function and we're going to plug it into the inverse now. So now I'm gonna take the inverse function and set it up. So I'm gonna make that x a really big parentheses. Because now where x used to be, I'm gonna go plug in the big ol' original fraction, 3x plus 12 over 5. And once again, it should simplify to x. When we multiply here, the 5's cancel. 12 minus 12 is 0. We're left with 3x divided by 3. We once again get x. This is the work that we should see for full credit.